All right, let's try these coral samples here. Let's see about this one. Yeah, it's definitely in the oyster shells, for sure. And yeah, I see some banding in the coral skeleton there. I wonder if it picks up on the camera. Oh, that polyp there definitely has some. Look at that polyp fluorescent orange there in its base. And that's what it's doing. It's picking it up and it's pushing it all the way down into the base of it. Let's check out this one here. Oh my, yeah, this is the one with the black base. And sure enough, inside that oyster shell, it's orange. Look at those orange stripes. I hope that's translating on our film here. Alright, let's take a look at some of these other corals that we got over here. This is a batch that was collected in May of this year. Wow! Look at that fluorescence. I'm wondering if that's catching on the film. I keep saying that. I'm just amazed by what's in here.
It looks like it from the screen.
Oh, good. Well, if it's showing up on the screen, it's going to be there. Wow, that's amazing right there. Look at those oyster shells, how much they're picked up. And look at it fluoresce down in there. This is fantastic. I mean, it's horrible. It's fantastic evidence. My dismay. You know, I mean, this means that I cannot market these coral. And look at this one. This one didn't pick up much. Doesn't look like it. Well, I don't know. It's got a little bit of a tint, but it's not like the others. Ah, you know why? There, look at that. You see that hole right there? That hole represents a hole that I drilled to put a zip tie through there. So this is one that I've got on this box for comparison. So this is before the spill. Let's see. I've moved this over and check out my aquarium on this side. Yeah, we're going to check out the aquarium. Okay, now let's look at this. Oh my gosh. Remember, these are the corals I said we just look at this. Look how that's the sponge fluorescing orange like that. The sponge is still full of it. So it may have depurated it to our eye that we think that it's clear. Look at that orange spot on the bottom. Remember I said the black spots on the bottom I thought were crude oil? It's like heavy tarball. That's what that represents. This orange speck right there. That represents a tarball. And look at this. Whoa. That is amazing. Boy, it is glowing hot. Oh, wow. Look at this stuff. Oh my gosh. Is that picking up? I'm sure it is. It has to. It's like glowing bright. Let's take another look. There's another piece that I can grab. Oh my gosh. And this one, look, this piece still has. Wow. How you like that? With living organism right on top of it. But you see, it's pushed it as far away from itself as it can. This is amazing. The top doesn't have it, but the bottom does. That's because it laid down that coral skeleton and it's grown itself above it. And that's how it's about. Look at this orange speck on the ground. Remember those black specks I told you were down there that I think are tar? And that's what they're doing. They're fluorescing the color of tar. So let's take a look at this guy. Wow. Is that glowing hot or what?
That was amazing.
That's amazing. I wonder what that blue, there's some blue.
Yeah, that's interesting.
Yeah. Wow. Let's see here. Well, I mean, I guess I could pull these guys out one right after the other. And here, there's oysters, those red and orange right there. That's living oysters. So it's not killing the oysters, but it's enough to contaminate them. Look at that orange band right there at the bottom of that coral. You see the top of it's still alive. Am I getting it for you?
Yeah.
This one right here. See how it's glowing, that orange band?
Yeah.
And the back side of it, look, wow, look how much that's glowing orange. This is amazing, guys. This is awesome. This is our proof. This is what we needed. So, oh, and look at this. This is that live piece that was in the corner. All that stuff on top, this dark stuff right here, that's live tissue. That orange glowing part right there, that's a dead skeleton with a ring around the top of petroleum hydrocarbons. Imagine that. That's amazing. Alrighty then. And this guy right here, this one's still alive and it's got the polyps extended on it. See? Can you? I can pick that up right now, but those polyps are extended. These guys right here are trying to feed. So, and with that with the stuff glowing right around it. So yeah, these guys are trying to feed. Oh, pull them out of the water. They didn't like that. So, that's what we're looking at, guys.